Hello everyone, so today I bought this charging dock for my PSVR2 and let's open it. It's basically a charging stand, charging dock, and let's open it. So first we're gonna see the box. So it's a appearance patent and PSVR2 headset and controller not included, of course. So this is just a charging dock, and this is the side of the box, right side. This is the back of the box with that little tags, labels, and specifications here. And basically that's it. That's it's a quality guaranteed since 1999. So this company is old. Okay, so and this is the bottom of the box, right? So let's just open it. And first, this is completely sealed, so let's just open it that side, and let's open it from right side. It's a bit difficult to open the seal. I don't have a cutter. I don't have a knife to break the seal, but yeah. Okay, so now the seal is unsealed. What we're gonna do is we're gonna try to, I'm gonna open it. Okay, so here we are. Let's open it. So inside the box we have this. I wonder how it's fitting. I was wondering how it's fitting together because it looks big, but the box is, as you can see, the box is not that big. Okay, so inside the box we have the stand. It's where we'll place our headset. Okay, next we have in the box oh sorry, my bad. I dropped something. First let's just look at the I dropped two things. Okay, so first let's look at this booklet that was in the this is a user manual, by the way. Okay, so this is a little 2 pages user manual. Okay, all right, so the product diagram, and we have technical specifications. Oh, it's out of focus. Okay, so little 2-page user manual. Then we have a cable. Standard quality is really bad of this cable, but yeah, it's fine. I mean, it's just, I think it's for charging only. Okay, so cable out of the way. Now this is one part, and now we have, by the way, this is plastic. This is plastic. This material is plastic. And then we have this. This is aluminum. I think this is aluminum. I feel like feels like aluminum. Okay, so this is aluminum, and I wonder what that does. Okay, we're gonna look at it later. And then we have is the main part, the charging dock. Okay, so that's the charging dock with the little box. Oh, it's a cute little box, right? It's just nice. I like this little box. Okay, so it has two. What are these? Two Type-C ports. I think they're magnetic. They're magnetic, you know, you see? The strong magnet, with strong magnet. So these ports are gonna go right here. Oh, nice. Magnets are always, you know. Ah, nice. It's gonna go here. And you can turn them however you want, you know. It doesn't matter, I think. Okay, and that's basically these are lights, and that's a back with the Type-C port, and this one this is the button, and we have charging dock, an item, in etc. everything here in the back. This is little gaps. I don't know why they have little gaps here, but for nuts, I wonder if there are nuts here under these paddings. Okay, but that's it. So the aluminum part, we're gonna put it here. Okay, so it's gonna go here, and we need to put this part here. Right. This is how it's gonna look. Oh shoot. I fit it properly. Okay, now it's properly fitted. Okay, this is okay, I guess. Now let me just grab my PSVR2 and try to place it. By the way, I don't like the quality of PSVR2. It's just so not good. I don't like it. So build quality, I mean, I don't know. I haven't used it yet, to be honest, so I cannot say about anything else. Like it's gaming quality. Okay, so this is how we place it, and let me just the camera a bit more, and then just gonna take it back here, and so I can show you guys how it looks when we okay, so let me just push it back, remove all these noise, and just place the oh sorry about that. Okay, so this is how it's gonna look. Just put the controllers here. Let me just see the box. So the box says controllers are gonna go like this. Okay. Wait. So like this. Okay, sorry, my bad. You're gonna go like this. And the back, this part, it's gonna connect here. So let me just, I have to align them, so you cannot just put them however you want. Okay, let me just see. Okay, I guess I can just move them and then, add them like this. And same goes for the other controller. Right here, and then I'm gonna just place them like that. Oh, nice. Okay, so this is how it's gonna be. So it's gonna look like with the cable. I can just put it here, like that. And let me just show you guys where I put the cable. So I put the cable right there. Just back it up a bit. You see inside that, let me just pull it here. So I put the cable here. I mean, it's not looking good, but or we can just put it aside. That's not neat. So there's no place where I can hang my cable. No, there's no place. Well, I can probably place it here, but no, it's too thick to be placed here. So, I mean, my best guess is that you have to put it here, because I don't see the cable, placed anywhere on the box. The advertising there. So there's nothing. Okay. So that's it, by the way. So this is how you can place your PSVR2. When you look it from the side, it looks good. I mean, right? But that's it. Let me just clear the noise a little bit more so you guys can see it clearly. Okay, I don't have much space. But yeah, that's basically it. I mean, it would be a lot better if we have a space for the cable, you know, just to hang it. But yeah, but we don't have a space for the cable. That's just too bad. Anyways, this is the unboxing of my Dobe, I don't know what it's called, Dobe charging dock for PSVR2, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.